Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Mailchimp so you can grow your audience, deliver your technical software tutorials directly to your subscribers, and manage your 2026 professional network with ease. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the audience dashboard. The first step is entering the central hub where all your subscriber data lives. In 2026, Mailchimp has refined the Studio interface to keep your audience management separate from your campaign design, ensuring a clean workspace for your technical video assets. Log in to your Mailchimp account and click on the audience icon in the left-hand navigation menu. If you have multiple audiences, use the drop-down menu at the top to select the specific list where you want to add your new technical contacts. You must be in the right data environment. Accessing the dashboard first allows you to see your current subscriber count before you start your 2026 expansion. Next, select Add a Subscriber for a single entry. When you want to add a single collaborator or a specific lead from a professional meeting, you'll use the Manual Entry tool. Click the Add Contacts drop-down menu and select the first option, Add a Subscriber. This will open a Studio form where you can type in individual details one by one. Using the single entry method is the most professional way to ensure that a high-value contact, like a new software tutorial partner, is added with 100% accuracy without the need for a full CSV import. Next, enter the contact's information. Now, you need to populate the fields with your contact's technical details. Type in the email address, first name, and last name. Scroll down to add any details like a phone number or birthday if your 2026 bookkeeping or marketing strategy require them. In 2026, personalizing your emails is a key professional standard. Getting the name and email exactly right ensures your technical guides reach the correct inbox every time. Use the Tags field to add labels like 2026 Leads or Technical Creator. You must check the box that says, "This person gave me permission to email them." And that's pretty much it. To add a contact in 2026, go to your audience dashboard, click Add Contacts, and select Add a Subscriber. Type in their email and name, assign a relevant tag, and check the permission box. Hit subscribe to finish your professional studio setup, making your software tutorials and newsletters ready for immediate delivery to your new contact. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.